guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am in a very busy Gatwick North Terminal Airport because me and Stuart are on our way to Zante in Greece. Stuart is asleep. It's about 5 AM right now. Our plane is at 7. We haven't slept at all tonight. We have driven the 4 hours that it takes to get to Gatwick from Grimsby. We are very tired, but yeah, very excited. We're actually going on like a little beachy holiday and I can't wait. So yeah, I'll bring you along to see what we do in Zante. There's us guys, the 7 AM to Zante, or Zakynthos. Our gate info is at 5:53, but these are the places that it goes to. So Fuerteventura, Milan, Faro, Pisa, Marrakesh, Malaga, Corfu, Alicante, all of the places. On our way to our gate now, gate 49 apparently, so it's down this way. Cannot actually wait for this. Just waiting to board now guys. Hopefully it won't be too long. There's our plane guys. It's quite a little plane, isn't it? I guess it doesn't really hold many people. But I mean, there is a lot of people getting on this plane. Exciting! Baggage now, so this is like the longest bit, isn't it, really? Like people say it's like passport control or whatever. I think it's baggage that takes the most longest time ever. But yeah, I best concentrate to see if our bags come out. Right guys, we've now checked in, so now it's room tour time. So the door is behind me, sorry Stuart, and we get greeted by a sink and a big mirror. But yeah, a sink outside of the bathroom, just like the hotel in Sheffield, which is a bit weird. And then in here is like a very big walk-in shower with a big overhead shower head. Toilet obviously. Oh, that's a bit echoey. And then over here is like tea and a kettle with mugs. Is there anything in here? Oh, that's the fridge. If I can open it. There we go. That's cool. Is there anything up here? That's a safe and just like loads of storage space. And then there's like this real long table with a TV, another mirror. It's full of mirrors, this. A little seat at the end, curtains, and then the balcony. I'll take you out there in a minute. And then the bed. And we are currently staying in the Golden Sun Hotel, which it has the name like everywhere. But no, I like this. A little cute, quaint little hotel. Right, let's bring you out here. So a nice little table and chair set, and then we are overlooking the pool area. But yeah, this is Zante in Greece. Very, very nice. Outside now, and we're just near the little fountain. Just saw it was lit up. Oh, and it's changing colour. That's cool. Yeah, this is our hotel, guys. In the dark. It's about 8 o'clock now. 8:30, 20 past 8. But yeah, this is our hotel. That building there. There's the name of our hotel, guys, the Golden Sun, and this is where reception is in the dark. I'll probably film a little bit more about like of this in the light so you can actually see it. There's so many planes. Where's that one? Ah, I missed it. Morning, guys. It is now Wednesday. It is Wednesday the 2nd of October. I've just gotten ready, well, got ready about an hour ago. We've had breakfast, which was really, really nice. And now I think we are just getting ready to go down to the beach. I think it's only like a 2-minute walk, apparently. And then we're gonna go on to the town as well, just to see what there is there. We'll grab our bearings and have a good day. I think we are also going to try and contact, well, you know, go visit the TUI rep, which she should be here for about 4 PM today. That's like, you know, where you get your excursions and everything. You can obviously pay separately for like excursions like in the town, but I think we're just going to go see what TUI has to offer. And yeah, that should be the day. But yeah, it's a very, very nice sunny day, quite warm as well. Can you see that? Look at it, guys, yeah. Try to open the door. Absolute bliss. I'm 2 minutes away from our hotel, guys, and we're at Kalamaki Beach Taverna and Beach Bar. This is the beach. Let's have a look. You can hire a peddler to see the turtles. That's cute. Walking along the beach, guys. Blissful, isn't it?
Maybe we bring the beach towels and go and lay on the beach towels on Sunday.
Yeah. We have arrived at Laganas, I think that's how you pronounce it, and I've got a strawberry Calippo, my first one of this trip. I absolutely love these, and you can only get them right abroad. You can get the strawberry and cream ones at home, but not just the strawberry. But yeah, we're just walking through the town now, just to see what's here, basically. Right, I think we're gonna go in this fish spa. So it's where you put your feet in with all the fishies. I'll film it for you. Oh my god, they're all like on my feet.
Yeah, I do.
It's very ticklish.
I just want to wiggle my toes, but I might kill one.
So many of them.
The leg around the top of my leg lock.
Oh wow, yeah.
I've just sat forward to try and get a bit deeper.
Oh. So weird.
Well, they're like properly concentrate on you. That's where your big dry skin patch, isn't it?
Yeah.
I can't see your little foot.
They're loving life. Right, we've just gone out of the fish spa. The fish were called a garupa.
I think so.
If that's how you pronounce it. My feet, what's the word? They look great, they just feel a little bit, they hurt basically. But now we're going to walk back to Kalamaki, which is where we're staying. But yeah, this is Laganas, full of like pubs, no, not clubs. That's the one. Restaurants, strip bars, weed shops, restaurants. You can tell this is like the party town of Zante. It's a nice little sign. I love Laganas. Falling in. Right, so since coming back to our hotel, we have played a game of Cascadia. I won actually. I actually won that one. It's a nice tile laying game, full of like animals and terrains. But yeah.
We'll do a tutorial on it at some point.
Yeah, we'll do a tutorial on our second channel, which is Clownfish Games. I'll leave the link below and I'll put it on screen. We've had some lunch, we've had some dinner, we've booked some excursions, which is exciting. So tomorrow we are going to go on a turtle boat tour thing to try and hopefully see the turtles. And then on Sunday we are going to do like a 4x4 island tour as well. So those are things to look out for in the vlog, or vlogs. Not really too sure which like, you know, whether this is going to be one big vlog or whether I'm going to split it into two. I'll see how much footage I've got at the end of the trip. But yeah, and then we spoke to our TUI rep about other things like going to the actual main town of Zante. What's that called?
Zakynthos.
Zakynthos.
It's the Greek word for Zante.
It's the Greek word for Zante. But yeah, so we'll probably do that one of the days, and then we want to go check out like this mini golf thing in Kalamaki, which is like the town that we're in. But yeah, so some very, very exciting days planned. And now I want to play a little bit of Disney Villainous. We played this last night. I was Gaston and Stuart was Yzma from the Disney movies. Mine was obviously Beauty and the Beast. Stuart's was The Emperor's New Groove, and I won as Gaston. So today I want to be Lady Tremaine, and Stuart still needs to pick which one he wants to be. But yeah, it's a really, really fun game. We'll probably do a tutorial of that as well at some point, so look out for that too. Right, it is Thursday. We are at the bus stop for our first excursion, which will hopefully be seeing the turtles. We're going on a boat to see some turtles, hopefully. But yeah, we're looking forward to it, aren't we? Yes. Right, we are on the bus. Let's hope we go see some turtles.
Het kan nog, omdat het warm is. Dat zegt ze wel.
Dat zeg je wel. Zondag vliegen we terug. En vliegen rond 6 uur. Maar onze uren die zijn toch. Daar vliegen we en die zitten.
One of the things you know, like you get worried into having on the bus. Now.
It says 7 Island Cruises, that's the Icaros Palace, so please make your way up there and go on board, okay? We sail at 1:30, okay? Thank you.
Look at the little kitties. Oh. Oh, they're so cute, aren't they? Right, so we've made it, and we are going to make our way onto the boat, which is over there. Can't wait for this. Hopefully we see some turtles, fingers crossed. But yeah, let's have a good day.
You thấy con lốt không? Bit nauseous on the
We are heading on the boat. It's called 7 Island Cruises. Miraculous Palace. That's quite cool. And across that bridge, and then we're on the boat. Oh, I can't even walk straight.
Hello guys.
Hello.
I have a photo together.
No, thank you. Oh my goodness. We're on the boat. Right, are we heading to top deck?
And now you look at that. Where you going?
Oh, this is like the snack bar. Oh my goodness. So crisps, sandwiches, drinks. That's quite cool. But a bit rocky, guys. About the boat, the toilets are situated on 2 decks of the boat. That's the lower deck and the middle deck, and they are situated on the right hand side of the boat. Separate ones for ladies, separate ones for gentlemen. These are marine toilets. Everything is dealt with appropriately, but it's very important, please, that we do not put toilet paper into the toilets. You will find bins provided, so please, if you can, make sure you use the bins for toilet paper. We'd be very grateful. Thank you very much indeed. In the unlikely event of us needing life jackets, these are stored in lockers around the boat. These are for emergency use only, so please do not remove them yourselves. If necessary, the crew will be instructing and handing them out themselves. We have a snack bar on board, so if you want to get guys, we are now back at our hotel. We didn't see any turtles. I mean, maybe glimpses of maybe one, but like, yeah, it was, the conditions was like the sea was choppy and it was cloudy, so it wasn't really the best day to go see the turtles, but it was a good boat trip. I enjoyed just being on the boat, relaxing, just letting someone just sail me away. But yeah, so yeah, we enjoyed that excursion. Unfortunately, we didn't see the turtles like, you know, the excursion title was, but never mind. But now we are just going to get ready for dinner time. I am a little bit hungry. I had that hamburger on board and I actually had an ice cream as well, but it was like so windy that I just couldn't like eat it and flog it. So yeah, just so you know, I had an ice cream as well. But yeah, let's go to dinner. So guys, it's Friday the 4th of October and we are going to go into the little town here called Kalamaki. We're going to see if there is like a mini golf thing. It does say on the maps that there is one, so we shall see. But yeah, let's go. So this is Kalamaki, full of restaurants, cocktail bars, tourist shops. Right, we've arrived at Crazy Golf. Let's see what this is all about. Look at the mountainside. Yeah. Hey. Oh. Hey. Let's go across this bridge. Right, stopped off for milkshakes. I've got this chocolate one, Stuart's got a vanilla one, and then the end of the first 18 holes, and I won by a point. So I got 62, Stuart got 63, and then we're going to do the next 18 after our milkshakes. So let's see how these taste like. They're really nice, yeah? It is actually really, really nice. Hey. Right, so second course done, and Stuart is the winner by 2. And then he's done, like, if we added both the scores together, he would have won by 1, which
we'll call it 1 game each.
1 game each. So yeah. But yeah, this is quite a nice little crazy golf. If you're ever in Kalamaki, come and check it out.